Hey everybody, I'm back again and I've got another really great core strengthening exercise for you all to try at home. Now this exercise I love, right? Because it's good for anyone at any level, right? So if you're recently had your stroke, or you've had it for a while but you still have a lot of core weakness, meaning you need assistance, to roll, to sit up, this is an exercise that you can actually do in the bed. I have this massage table here today because I like a firm surface. It's very similar to like the therapy mats we use like in a clinic setting. However, obviously most people don't have this at home. You can order these. This one I just got on Amazon. However, if you're at home, you can easily take this exact same exercise I'm about to show you and you can do it in the bed, all right? The only difference I'm gonna say is try to put your sneakers on. I know that sounds weird, have your sneakers on in the bed, but trust me, when you have a lot of weakness in your glutes and in your core, you're gonna need that extra stability. And then get like a flat board or something that you can put under your feet. You'd need someone with you to kind of help keep everything stable. But this will make more sense in a minute. So basically the exercise I'm about to show you, it's just bridges or glute bridges or whatever you want to call it. But like I said, it is such a fundamental or foundational muscle group to strengthen, because it's going to work on all those muscles that not only help you sit up, but mostly help you with that initial sit to stand, right? Because it's going to work all of these posterior, meaning backside muscles, right? So this is just the short version I'm going to show you that's really straightforward. And again, like I said, if you're able to work from a firmer surface, the better. If not, and you need to do this from the bed, please do so, because you can still innervate and work all those same muscle groups, okay? So real quick, all you're gonna do is lay flat on your back. Your feet are gonna be flat, either on the bed or whatever surface that you're laying on. Hands at your side. And I usually tell people, try to do like a big breath in. Try to hold your core nice and tight, meaning your abdominal, your stomach muscles here. And all I want you to do as you push your feet into the surface, into the bed or into the mat, your knees are together, all you're going to do is lift your hips towards the ceiling. As you're coming up, you're squeezing your bottom, pressing up, hold it as long as you can, and then down. Now, I know some of my patients actually aren't even able to make a lot of clearance. Maybe they're only coming up a half an inch. That's okay. We still do this, and I will actively assist them in this motion, right? If you can come most of the way up, or however high you're able to go as high as you can, and then the key here is you're going to want to hold it 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Trust me, as you go through it, give yourself a goal of a set of 5 or a set of 10 if you're feeling really strong. But you really want to try to hold each contraction. So as you come up, lift the hips and bottom, and you're going to hold 1001, 1002, 1003, and then lower down slowly. So you want to work those muscles as you come up, and then hold at that end range, and then lower yourself down. Do not let yourself just plop back down, right? Okay. Do the best you can. Like I said, this is one of those deceptively simple exercises that's like, oh, it's not going to do much for me. Trust me. Just like just doing sit to stands, working these bridges, those gluteal muscles, trust me, you cannot go wrong, okay? Give it a try. Reach out, shoot me a comment if you need any other modifications other than the ones that I mentioned, because I'm here to help. So please let me know if this was helpful. If you haven't incorporated these bridging exercises in your home recovery routine, please do so, okay? And I will talk to y'all soon. As always, I hope this was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.